Something I've always wanted to do as a roofer is try to fry an egg on a black rubber roof. I've been roofing for years, put a lot of rubber roofs on, and as any roofer who's done flat rubber roofing knows, this stuff gets really hot. Anyways, so I wanted to see if we can actually fry an egg on this. We got a temperature check on it. It's over 170 degrees, which is pretty cool because I've never even checked how hot this stuff gets. But it's been sunny pretty much all day here. It's midday. It's blazing out, and so here we go. My first test. I've probably thought of this literally 15 years ago and just have never done it. So I'm super pumped to see how long it's going to take to cook this egg, and I'm just going to break this second one. Oh, it does. All right, here we go. So my protein of the day. I like to kind of keep it together. Hey, it might kind of. So yeah, I mean. No good roofer goes up on a flat roof without a carton of eggs in his tool belt. Dude, that looks delicious. This one's, we're starting to see some white there. It's drying out a bit. It's obviously not as fast as a pan, but. So there we go. Cooking an egg on a roof. One of my bucket list things. I mean, some people put, things like skydiving or bungee jumping or travel Europe on their bucket list. This old roofer, nah. Give me an egg. I want to fry it on the roof.
Eventually.
So let's come out here and see how my egg fried up and see if it actually did what I anticipated it to do. So I'm touching the rubber. It is like okay, it's not as hot as it sometimes is, but it's pretty hot. But wow, that looks like a delectable meal.
It smells like an egg.
It smells like egg and rubber. I mean, yeah, the yellow, it's fried. It's fried. I got my egg. Let me go get my fork and knife and we'll enjoy. Yeah, we forgot to oil our pan.